Hello traders, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today is the day 7 of $5 to 1 million challenge. So my current balance is $315. So I'm hoping to increase this balance even more. So without any talk, let's dive into trading. So as you guys know, my broken strategy called 4 candle strategy is it has very high accuracy. 100% accuracy. It's working according to 3 martingales. That means not 3 martingales, 2 martingale. First one is the first trade no. Mainly working according to 2 martingales. That means 3 steps. Okay. From those 3 steps, it's not never gonna lose your money. That's called the perfect strategy, from my opinion. Okay guys, let's find a perfect strategy entry point. In this video, I'm going to find exact perfect entry points only. No any trading sense. It's okay. Only my 4 candle strategy entry points. I will show you guys. There are 10 rules also. If you guys want to learn, please watch previous video. It's giving everything, teaching you everything that is included in my 10 rules. Okay guys, let's dive into trade. Okay guys, let's see this trade entry. This is going to be, I think, a perfect trade entry. Let's see. Let's clarify these 10 rules. No, I mean, let's separate these 10 rules. So we have 28 seconds. It's a perfect entry point guys, but it got ordinary profit. Let's see. Let's analyze the trading entry point. Read the status settings. Please drop a message in Telegram for me. The link will be in top comment. So okay, the first one, super trend should be in between fractal chaos band. That rule approved. So the second one, the candle called the moving average line. No guys, I'm not just entering into trade, I'm teaching you guys. Okay, so the moving average line is this one. The candle that touched the moving average line is this one. As you can see, this is touched. These are not touched. After super trend appeared, it's access into my strategy. Okay, so this is the one. So we are counting 1 2 3 4 candles. In third candle there should be a factor, and also in third candle shouldn't be a short candle or a doji candle. It's an invalid rule. That means it shouldn't be a doji candle or a very short candle. It's also one rule of my 10 rules. So this is not a doji candle or a very short candle. So the factor will appear, and also simultaneously the vortex should also go. This is called the vortex. Vortex should also go to upward direction, upward inclination. So 1 2 3 4 5 should go upward inclination, but there is a thing here. If the vortex went upward, although went upward, but it shouldn't be a green candle. It should be a red candle. Therefore, it's not a profit trade. So we are always entering in the sixth candle. 6th, 7th, and 8th. We are continuously putting trades, 3 trades to same direction. According to this trade, we are entering into upward direction. But in the 5th candle, it's already profitable. So we can't enter to this trade position. It's already got profit, no? Yup. So that's the thing here. So I'm going to repeat my 10 rules. The first rule is super trend indicator must be appeared in between fractal chaos band. No above or line cut. Okay, that's the first rule. No above or line cut. The second rule is third candle fractal shouldn't reach above the super trend line or touch the super trend line. That is the second rule. I mean, when these features are not happening, the trade is going to be profit. Okay, if these rules are approved, the trade is going to profit. I saw this strategy I'm using around 6 months now. It's a perfect strategy, guys. I never lost any single trade. I'm guaranteeing this strategy. That's why I'm teaching you guys this strategy, because I want you guys also to be success in these platforms, trading platforms. Okay, so now around 6 months gone. No, in the first month, I mean in the first 2 months, I have counted these features and I got lost trades. When I build in my perfect strategy, I got lost trades and I analyzed what is the reason for these trades loss. I found out some hidden features that no one ever seen. Okay, there are small details that you can get from these trading indicators. It's affecting the trade hugely, whether this trade is going to profit or not. Very small details, but you have to focus on those details also, but no one is going to focus on those details. That's why they are saying this trading is just luck. There is no any perfect strategy or some bullshit. Okay, that's the thing here. So my first rule is, as you can see, as you remember guys, the first rule is super trend appeared in between fractal chaos band. No line cut. That means no line cut means I will show you guys. This is above. This is above. This is cut to fractal band. Okay. And the second rule is third candle fractal shouldn't reach above the super trend line or touch the super trend line. Okay. That means this is the trend. This fractal shouldn't reach above the red candle or green candle. It's like this. This is like example. This shouldn't reach the super trend line or touch the super trend line. It's an invalid feature. Okay. So the third rule is you only need 3 chances for a trade. 3 chances to continuous the same direction. You are putting 3 chances to same direction. Fourth rule is third candle fractal shouldn't be appeared in doji candle as a doji candle or very short candle. I already told you guys, if those things happen, if third candle is a doji candle, your trade is going to lose. Okay, fifth rule is quotex should go also to same fractal direction. If neutral or opposite direction inclination appear, don't enter to trade. If the fractal is coming from downward, quotex should go upward. If the fractal coming from upward wick, quotex should go downward. That's the thing. If the neutral or opposite inclination happen, don't enter to trade. It's going to be a loose trade. Okay. I am telling these things with the experience, guys, nothing else. I have counted those things and I analyzed those things and I found and I got a conclusion after that. And these are the conclusions, final conclusion as rules. Okay. So 6-1, only fifth candle should be in fractal chaos band. Okay. Fifth candle should be in fractal chaos band. Let's see, this is the first candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. While starting point, I mean starting opening candle should be in between fractal curves band. That's also another rule, hidden rule. Okay, the seventh rule is after super trend. The last one is sixth rule. Seventh rule is after super trend appear, wait until the moving line touch a candle. Then count 4 candles and put trade in the sixth candle if the all above rule approved. Okay. Eighth rule is don't enter to trade if the third candle have two fractals on both sides. As the last entry, guys, if the fractal appeared from both sides of the third candle, it's giving the initiation level. That's also not good. You have to skip that trade also. And the ninth rule is when we enter in the second trade, that means second trade means sixth candle. When we enter in the sixth candle, if the fractal disappear after appearing in the third candle, don't enter to trade. That means if the fractal appeared in the third candle, in the sixth candle, if it is going very downward, the fractal is obviously disappearing. That is the indicator feature. That's a kind of feature that you guys know about. If the fractal appeared and suddenly the price section went downwards, the fractal is disappearing. If that happened also, don't enter to trade. And the 10th rule is, it's also coming with combined rule. Quotex should be to the same direction, fully in the fifth candle. If the vortex turn toward downward, skip the trade. Neutral is okay. That means when the fractal appeared in the third candle, suddenly the price action is going downward and the fractal didn't disappear, it went towards closely. That means it's moved towards the price section of the fractal but didn't disappear, but the vortex went towards its, first of all it went upward, but after the sudden change it turned towards downward direction. Neutral is okay, fully downward, so that's also a bad signal for your trade entry. You have to memorize those things. They are bad features for your trade, losing trade features. Okay, so those are the 10 rules. That's all, guys. You have to memorize the 10 rules when you enter to a trade. That's all. You are profitable. If you got those rules, you are profitable. And the other part is psychology. You have to enter in those trades only. This strategy is little bit rare, but perfect. You have to find those trade entries and execute your trade. That's all. That's all you need. So let's move to a perfect trade entry. Let's see this trade entry, guys. I think this is going to be a perfect trade entry. Let's analyze. Okay, let's analyze. I have 10 rules. No, so I can't tell every time my all 10 rules. So as a summary, there should be a fractal from third candle and vortex should go downward. That's the thing. The fractal appeared from the above wick, vortex should go downward simultaneously. And in the fifth candle, there's perfect trade entry. This should be a green candle. The fifth candle should be loss trade. Fifth candle should be a loss trade. If only I can enter to a downward trade entry in the sixth candle, 6th and 7th and 8th. In those three, it's going to be a profit. As you can see, guys, it's going to be green candle. Let's see and let's wait another 30 seconds. As you can see guys, it's moved to almost disappearing fractal, but it didn't disappear. So I have entered to trade up downward guys, because this the fifth candle is a doji candle. So it's a perfect trade entry guys. Perfect, 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 perfect. So the fifth candle is a doji, means it is not a red candle. We are neglecting that as a red candle. It's a green candle. Let's set our martingale 2.1 and let's ready to put the second first martingale. Within these three trades, it's going to be a red candle and I will be profitable. Let's see, another 10 seconds remaining. I have entered to a downward trade again. You have to focus and put a trade exactly at the starting candle, okay? Exactly at the starting candle. Let's see this second trade. If the second trade lost, third trade is going to be 100% accurate, no doubt. Let's see. As you can see guys, my strategy is perfect. It's giving a red signal. It's giving a bearish signal. The trade got profit. My current balance is $246. It's a perfect trade entry guys. Nice. So I'm going to wind up today's session guys, because when I record two lengthy videos, no one is going to watch it. It's a very waste for me. Thank you guys for watching these videos. If you guys want the perfect strategy settings, drop a telegram message. I will help you. If you don't know anything guys in trading, I will help you. Put a message for me. I will coach you guys. Thank you very much.